got a mixture of just regular black pepper and pink Himalayan salt, 50-50 ratio. And that is all we're going to use for 15 sides of ribs for deer camp this year. .250 degrees for about 3.5 hours. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm skinning them.
Is it worth it?
Totally worth it.
2. From the first batch, it's fresh off the smoker and still very hot, very juicy. And of course the chef gets the sample. Perfect. Now we need to get the real chef to take a sample.
Oh my God. Tom, you may get ribs, you may not.
Shiny side goes out, dull side goes in, it's non-stick. For those of you who didn't know that.
Can't believe you trust me with mine. How's those ribs? Are they good?
Am I supposed to eat it the long way or the regular way?
It's a video. Are they good?
You like cheese pizza, but you don't like stuffed crust because it's too much cheese.
Give it to him.
Tell me what you think.
Huh?
Now, your wife knows that. I can't see.